Hi, Ellie. Let's let x equal the principal. That's the amount of money that's first put into the account. Let's let y equal the annual interest earned. That's in dollars. Let's let z equal the combined annual interest rate. Combining meaning from the money that's $10,000 and less and the monies that's over $10,000. And let w, which I think is what you're asking for, equal the combined daily interest rate. So using those variables, here's what y is going to be defined as. This is a piecewise function. We've got two different situations. We got one situation if x is less than or equal to 10,000. If it's 10,000 or less, we are to take the principal, which is x, and multiply it by 2.97%, which is 0.0297. We got situation 2. If x is bigger than $10,000, we're supposed to take the first 10,000 and figure out what 2.97% of that is. For the first $10,000, you're going to end up getting $297. That comes from multiplying 10,000 times 0.0297. So this is the interest they earned from the first 10,000. The money that they earned for the next amount over 10,000, you take the principal, which is x, subtract from that the 10,000 that you already found the interest for, and you multiply that difference by 5%. Add that to the 297, that will give you the total interest that they earned. If this doesn't make sense, let me know and I'll try to explain this again. We'll try one more time. If you earn $10,000 or less, you're going to get 2.97% of how much money you put in. If you're earning, or if your principal is over 10,000, you're going to get the original 297, that's from the first 10,000. Any money over 10,000, like if this was 15,000, 15 minus 10 is 5. So for the $5,000, you get 5%. Add to that what you got for the first 10,000, that would give you that money. So that's what y is. It's the annual interest earned. Z, if you take what you got for y, the interest earned for the year, and divide it by x, x being the amount of money you had in your principal, this formula will give you your combined annual interest rate. To get your daily rate, W, you then take Z, which was your combined annual interest rate, and divide by 365, assuming this is a non-leap year. If a leap year, then divide it by 366. This is the short end of the math that you would use for these things. This is assuming a couple things, one of those being it's simple interest, which means it's an annual interest rate, it's not compounded at all. And I have taken this information and put it into a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet with the appropriate formulas. If you would like me to explain that to you as well, I'd be happy to. By the way, you're awesome.